Magandang araw. Ang card reading natin for today is for Aquarius. Aquarius October reading for year 2025. And these are your 3 cards, Aquarius. And your first card is the 7 of Coins. In terms of career, you need to be patient. Tingin ko medyo naiinip ka sa progress ng career mo at this moment. But this card implicates for you to appreciate yung mga accomplishment na meron ka sa ngayon. And your second card is the 6 of Swords. Yun na nga, no? You are moving forward. This implicates you are in a time of transition. Kaya sinasabi ng first card mo kanina na maging patient ka lang. Because your progress is on the way. And your third and final card is the Star. You are connected to something great. The Star card means hope, growth, and positivity kasi. Aquarius, if we will put this card into general reading like finances or love, everything is going in a smooth sailing phase. Medyo nagiging impatient ka lang. So, sinasabi sa'yo ng card na maging patient ka. Learn to appreciate yung mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon. And I'll assure to you na the harvest is much greater than you have ever expected.